While starting a dropshipping business, a challenge we often face is finding the right dropshipping suppliers that offer products with affordable prices and good quality. You might have finished setting up your e-commerce site and now you might be ready to start probing across the internet and your networks for a dropshipping product supplier from China. That is, needless to say, has to be the best dropshipping supplier in China. But why China? Well, because the country has been experiencing rapid growth in manufacturing over the past decades and offers immense opportunities for businesses looking for the best dropshipping supplier. However, with many opportunities, there comes a problem of choosing the right supplier. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in China. The selection criteria have an emphasis on quick shipping, customer service, and of course a quality product at a reasonable price tag. Here are the 5 best dropshipping suppliers from China. Number 1. AliExpress. AliExpress.com requires no introduction unless you are living in a cave. AliExpress still remains one of the best suppliers for dropshipping. The business has grown out to become one of the most profitable ones, and even in 2022 the business models still remain popular. But sometimes you'll require the right information to find the best supplier and get the quickest shipping time. You can also read one of our previous blogs on how to do dropshipping from AliExpress to Amazon. Number 2. CJ Dropshipping. Looking for an all-in-one solution that can help you procure dropshipping products at a cheaper price? Well, we suggest you look no further than CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping offers a vast selection of dropshipping products that one can sell across the globe, similar to what AliExpress can do. What makes CJ Dropshipping special is that the business owners will find suppliers with warehouses located all across the world. That makes shipping of products lightning quick. Number 3. China brands. Another best alternative for CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress can be China brands. Just like CJ Dropshipping, this platform also has warehouses all around the world. Thus, China brand becomes a great choice if you want to dropship to various different countries. Number 4. Banggood. Dropshipping from Banggood.com is considered a step up from AliExpress. This is because this Chinese dropshipping supplier works directly with producers. They also have a strict quality inspection with fast delivery. Few features of Banggood are large product selection, fast delivery, customer support and dropshipping certification provided. Number 5. Udroppy. Udroppy is another platform that is among the best dropshipping suppliers. Udroppy has solutions such as shipping, sourcing, and fulfilling the products. Udroppy is known to be working with more than 900 dropshipping suppliers. A dropshipping business can be a profitable business for merchants who wants to start their own e-commerce business. This is why choosing the correct dropshipping wholesalers and marketing products on platforms are crucial. If you're into dropshipping, most of the products that you order from China come with product images, labels, and descriptions that are in the Chinese, Mandarin, language. These product images can't be used for marketing them to an audience that uses different vernacular to communicate. If you want to market the product better, on the internet, via social media, display ads, or showcase the product on your website, you'll need to translate these product images into different languages. Translating them manually, or with the assistance of a translation service, can take up much more time. And the entire translation and recreation of the same image into a different language takes up more time and money. The translation process might seem simple, but it requires skills such as translation, graphic designing, etc. That's what ImageTranslate can help you with. ImageTranslate is a sole picture translator that can translate the text in the image and recreate the same image into different languages in under 30 seconds. Here is an example of product image translation from Chinese to English. Visit www.imagetranslate.com to know more about ImageTranslate and how it can benefit your business.